According to Surah Al-Baqarah, ayat number 280 and 283, وَإِنْ كَانَ ذُو أُسْرَةٍ فَنَاظِرَةٌ إِلَى مَيْسَرَةٍ وَأَنْ تَصَدَّقُوا خَيْرٌ لَكُمْ إِن كُنْتُمْ تَعْلَمُونَ. If it is difficult for someone to repay a debt, postpone it until a time of ease. And if you waive it as an act of charity, it will be better for you. If only you knew. For in amina ba'dakum ba'dan fal yu'addillazi tumina amanatahu. If you trust one another, then there is no need for a security. But the debtor should honor this trust by repaying the debt. Rasulullah said, मानी ताज़ारा मोसिरन काना लहू अल्लाह फी कुल्ली यौमिन सदाकातन बि मिस्ली मालिही अलैहि हत्ता यस्तौफिया हक्काहू. Whoever gives respite to a poor debtor, Allah Almighty will give him the reward of charity every day as much as his debt, and this cycle continues until it is fully paid. Man arada an tustajaba da'watuhu wa an tukshafa kurbatuhu falyafruj an ma'asirin. He who wants his dua to be accepted and his sorrows removed should give respite to the poor debtor. The best person is who returns his debt with increment. Matlul ghani zulmun. It is wrong for the rich to pay the debt late. Kama la yuhillu bi gharimika in yumtillaka wa huwa musirun. Just as it is not permissible for the debtor to delay in paying the debt when he has wealth, fakazalika la yahillu laka an tusirahu iza alimta annahu musarun. Similarly, it is not permissible for you to be harsh even though you know about the poverty of the debtor. Iyyakum wad-dayna fa innahu hammun bil-layli wa zillun bin-nahar. Beware of borrowing, because debt is a sorrow at night and a disgrace by day. When a person is a debtor, he also tells lies and breaks promise. Whoever gives respite to the needy or reduces his debt, Allah Almighty will save him from the heat of hell. Wala hammun illa hammuddain. The borrower lives in grief. Imam Zainul Abidin taught this dua in connection with the payment of debt as Allahumma habli al-afiyati min dainin tukhliku bihi wajahiya wa yuharu fihi zihni wa tasha'abu lahu fikri wa yatulu bi mumarasatehi shugli. Ya Allah, free me from such a debt that does not protect my honor, and I remain confused and I keep thinking about the debt repayment. وَأَجِرْنِي مِنْهُ بِوُسْعٍ فَاضِلٍ أَوْ كَفَافٍ وَاصِلٍ. Ya Allah, free me from debt through increase in wealth and availability of sustenance. Imam Sadiq said, Man istadana falam yanvi qaza'ahu kana bi manzilati sariq. Whoever takes a loan and does not intend to pay it is like a thief. Qarze hasna does not mean to take loan from others, and when someone asks to return it back, then show them your laughing and smiling.